Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, welcome. My name is Asta and I'm a makeup artist and I'm doing a makeup tutorials and a makeup product reviews here on my channel. So today I just created this makeup look here with the big fluffy eyelashes. I love them so much. They just look so good. But this makeup look was inspired again by fall, by the colors changing in the nature, the browns and golds and mustards that you can see in the forest, and I absolutely love autumn, so I thought I'll do another video today using kind of more like a soft earthy tones. And for today's eye look, I've used my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Two palettes that I've used were the Soft Glam and the Riviera palettes. So these are the two I'm gonna use today to achieve this look. But if you want to see step by step how I did it, just keep on watching. I'm first cleansing my skin with some micellar water. Then applying some lip balm. I'm going in straight with the Smashbox Minimize Pores Photo Finish Primer and just applying that in the center of my face. For foundation today, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in color 100 Linen. Concealing my under eyes with the Benefit BOIING Cakeless Concealer. Next, I'm contouring using NARS Liquid Bronzer Laguna. And I'm taking Laura Mercier Concealer in color 1 Neutral and just applying that underneath the contour. Next, I'm setting my contours with the bronzer. This one's from Laura Mercier and it's bronze number 3. For blusher today, I'm taking my Jouer Adore Blush Duo and mixing the two shades. And just to add a little bit of shimmer to my cheeks, I'm just taking my MAC Fairy Brushes Extra Dimension brush and just applying on the center of my cheeks. I'm starting my eye look with the eye primer, and I'm using my P. Louise eye primer base in Rumor 02. And I'm applying this all over my lids using a flat synthetic brush in a patting motion. Once I have my base done, I'm going straight into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to apply color Burnt Orange into my crease using a big fluffy brush. Whatever is left on my brush, I'm just extending it out a little bit past my corner of the eye so that the blend is nice and soft. And I will be repeating this step a few times just to get a better color payoff. Now that I'm happy with the transition shade, I'm switching to a smaller brush, MAC 221, and I'm taking color called Sienna and applying that into my crease. But because the brush is smaller, it's gonna be more concentrated. Starting from the outer corner and working my way in. And then straight away I'm back with my previous brush, my Kitco brush 1.12, and with no product, just blending the two colors together and extending it out. And doing the same for the other eye. And I'm repeating the same step a few times just to get a better color intensity. So now I'm switching to a smaller brush again, and this one is Morphe M507, and I'm taking a darker color from the palette called Mulberry. This time I will be concentrating more on the outer corners of the eye. I'm not gonna go in as far in as with the sienna color. Also blending this color down a little bit onto my lid and just intensifying the outer edge. And then going back with my previous brush with no product and blending the colors together. Then repeating the same step on the other eye. Then I'm switching to Sigma E41 and then just using the same mulberry color. Just applying this color again to the crease, but this time it will be more precise again and sharper. Okay, so next it's time to cut the crease. So I'm taking a little bit of Benefit BOIING concealer and a flat brush, placing the product onto the lid, opening, and you see the way there's this line that appears when you kind of like open your eyes. So it means that this is your top line of your cut crease. So when you're doing your cut crease, make sure the top line of the cut crease is actually visible when you open the eye. So you want it to be like a few millimeters above your real crease. And I will repeat the same step for the other eye. So straight on top of that, just to set this concealer that it wouldn't crease, I'm taking my Riviera palette and taking this color here, which is called Inheritance. And I'm just applying this color using a flat brush just to set my concealer. And I'm going back to my Soft Glam palette again. I'm taking color Bronze and applying that in the center of my lid and blending it towards the outer V using the same flat brush. So by doing this, I just want to make a nice transition from this gold to the browns that I have on the outer edge. And I'm taking my Sigma E45 I've used before. I'm taking color Sienna and doing further transitioning. Just literally brushing gently the two colors together. Next I'm taking a little bit of color Glistening and just highlighting the inner parts of my eyes. And then I'm going back to the Morphe M507 and the color Sienna and just applying that close to the lash line on the bottom part of the eyes and smoking it out with the color Burnt Orange. Then switching to a Zoeva smudger brush and applying some mulberry color underneath the lash line again. Then applying a little bit of this Shiseido K-Gel in Tea House into my waterline. It's a nice brown pencil. Then applying some mascara on the top and the bottom lashes. And finishing my look with some crazy fluffy big lashes. So the final step is to do the lips, and for the lips I'm taking the Primark lip liner in color Toffee. And then I'm taking Makeup Forever Glossy Full Lip Gloss and applying that on the rest of my lips. And here is the finished look of this autumn inspired golden cut crease. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this would be great for coming Christmas season as well, for parties and all, because it's just nice and it stands out. Colors are just so versatile and they're just so wearable, so they can go with most of the outfits. Yeah, once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.